Biafra viewers, this is the new breakdown of what happened in 1979, where the Janjaweed confronted Azikiwe, telling him that it's a super rigging. They will not do anything. He told Igbo people that whether rigging or not rigging, they're not going to do anything. Means that they are in charge. This rigging of a thing didn't start today. It started since 1979. It happened in the time of Biafra. They rigged it. Aton Zeribe challenged it. They get over it. In this 2023, they rigged it again against Obi, and they were challenging it. They said whether or rigging or not rigging, they have to accept it. So they always deliberately rig and told the victim to accept the rigging, whether condition or not condition. So you got to listen to it. This is Biafra Battle Cry Television. Thank you.
Would you tell us what the talks were all about?
No.
You now agree to join the other.
What do you mean?
UPN.
Join in what? On behalf of our three political parties, and in the name of the vast majority of the people of Nigeria, we reject in its entirety. We reject in its entirety and without any reservation whatsoever the declaration of the Alhaji Shehu Shagari as President-elect. We have decided to challenge the Fedico decision in the law courts. Notwithstanding the court action, and to save this nation further anxiety and uncertainty, we call upon the Supreme Military Council as the highest legislative and executive authority to annul the declaration of Fedico of Alhaji Shehu Shagari as President-elect and ensure that the Electoral College is convened forthwith to conclude properly the presidential election as provided by law.
Thank you.
You cannot give any credit to the NPN for getting figures out of rigging. You can do nothing about rigging. They rigged, super rigging.
Right now in Nigeria, there is no president, there is no government. What you have is a gang of criminals. Anybody can get up one morning and say, oh, I'm controlling INEC. I don't like you. You didn't give me enough money in your first term. I'm removing you now, and they'll be removed. What concerns me is not recycling all these problems. What I kept thinking about is, why is it that black people don't never act to make what is wrong right? I am asking black people, why don't you act on your act, on your conviction, to say that this thing is wrong? I remember the Yoruba girl, I don't know what her name is, I don't want to make her popular, that went as the people that were fact-checking what I was saying about Nig3ria were all Yoruba. Because Tinubu told them, don't make anything go wrong. This is our time. 2023. That stupid girl came on was talking rubbish. Today she's no longer talking about Mr. Buhari and Nnamdi Kanu, what he's saying. Have you now seen it? Actually, I am always right. It's not arrogance. I am always right because anything I think is correct.
Yeah!